SKODA SLAVIA. It's a 7-speed TSI automatic petrol version. This model is equipped with 6 airbags. As you know, Skoda is always concerned with safety. Skoda Slavia is coming with a multi-collision braking system. Electric sunroof with anti-pinch technology. Wireless charging and climatronic AC. 18 to 19 km per liter is the mileage. This model with 1500 cc and 150 bhp. It has a 7-speed DSG gearbox. It has got a great drivability. Smooth torque delivery at lower RPMs.